In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do time tracking in Monday.com. Time tracking is an invaluable feature for those who want to keep a close eye on how long tasks take, streamline workflow, and better manage projects. Let's dive into it. Firstly, open your web browser and go to Monday.com. If you're already familiar with this platform, this should be second nature to you. But for newcomers, simply type monday.com into your web address bar and press enter. Once you're on the site, the next step you'll want to take is clicking on the login button. Typically, this button is located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking on it will take you to a page where you'll see several login options. Today, we'll use the Google sign-in method, which is quite straightforward. If you have an existing Google account, click on the Google icon and a window will pop up displaying your Google accounts. Select the account you'd like to use with Monday.com by clicking on it. This action will log you into Monday.com without the need to enter your username and password manually, thus saving you some time. After successfully logging in, it's time to navigate to your board. You should see your dashboard where all your projects and tasks are organized in boards. Click on the board where you'd like to implement time tracking. It's important to make sure you're selecting the correct board, as you want to keep your tracking as accurate and relevant as possible. Now, with your board open, find the plus icon, which you'll notice in the table section. This icon allows you to add new columns to your board, thus customizing it to suit your needs. Clicking on it will prompt a drop-down menu. Type in time tracking into the search bar of the drop-down. As you type, you may notice suggestions appearing beneath. When you see the time tracking option appear, click on it. This selection will enable you to add it as a column on your board. With that simple click, you've just added a new time tracking column. This column will now be visible on your board and is ready for use. Here you can start logging time for various tasks, keeping detailed records of how long every aspect of your project is taking. And that's it. You've set up time tracking in Monday.com, empowering yourself with a new tool to enhance productivity. With this feature, you can get more detailed insights into your workflow, helping you and your team stay on schedule and improve efficiency. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.